Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 7. In that we'll see the objective type questions. Here, even if it says objective types, I have shown you the working because we cannot get the direct answer. So this is with the white is the working. You can do it by any ways, whichever you like. So here it says that if 21 kg sugar cost rupees 378, what is the cost of 14 kg sugar? So here 21 kg is for 378, and so for 14 we don't know what is the cost of it. So you're going to cross multiply this one. So whenever you cross multiply, you have to see that this one, the two numbers that will go in the numerator, that is 14 into 378 divided by this will go in the denominator. So divided by 21, you can divide and see. So that is going to be 252. So this is the right option. If 35 men take 50 days to complete a piece of work, how long will 25 men take to complete the same work? So now here, these are the options given. So this is again a rough work. So 35 men take 50 days. So 35 into 50. How long will 25 men? So we can consider this as, we don't know the time here. So that is going to be 25 men take. So that will be 25 into x. So this will be 35 into 50. This will be same here in the numerator, and this will go in the denominator is equal to x. So after simplifying, we get this as 70 days. So this is the answer. So because here, why we are going for this one, you can see this is 35 and this is 25. So we can also do this one as, because these are more men. So this is from 35 to 25 means there's less. So the number of time is going to be more. So it will be more than 50. This is to cross check. If 5 cartoons are needed to pack 75 toys, how many cartoons will be needed to pack 210 toys? So we can see here, these are the cartoons and this is the toys. So cartoons 1 by cartoon, we can see, we can also do this way by toys 1 and cartoons 2 by toys 2. So these are 5 in cartoon, this is 5 and this is toys are 75. And here will be, we don't know, we can consider this as x because we don't know how many cartoons are there, and this is 210. So again this you are going to cross multiply. So 75 into x will be 5 into 210. So x is going to be 5 into 210 and this is going to get divided. So after simplifying this one, we get x is 14 cartons. So this is 14. If the weight of 16 rods is 72 kg, what will be the weight of 28 rods of the same type? So again here the weight is given and that are the number of rods given. So weight divided by rods, that is weight 1 divided by rods 1, we can say is equal to weight 2 divided by rods 2. So this is 72 and these are the 16 rods in it. So we don't know the weight. For weight 2 we don't know, and the rods are 28. So again this we are going to cross multiply it. So 16 into x will be 72 into 28. So x is going to be 72 into 28 and this will go in the denominator. So after simplifying, we get that is 126 kilogram. So this is the correct option. If 24 men take 15 days to whitewash a wall, how long will one take to whitewash another wall of the same size? So now total work is what? How much is that? Number of men into number of days. So here number of men is 24 and number of days is, this is going to be 15. So what we can do, that is going to be 24 into 15, which is going to be 360 days. So this is the correct option. If the combined daily wage of 5 men is rupees 3750, how much will 20 men earn in a week? So for 1 day, first this is daily wage means for 1 day. So in a week means 7 days. So we can see first for 1 day, 5 men, they get the wages is that is going to be 3,750. So one man will be, so this we are going to cross multiply. So 1 into 350 is going to be 3750, is that is going to be 3750 and this is going to get divided, which will be 750. So now for one man it is 750. So we have, how many men we have? 20 men. So we are going to consider this for one day. You can also highlight this one, for we are going to see this for the one day. So for one man is 750. So 20 men is going to be, again cross multiply this, 20 into 750, which is going to be 15,000. So we want for 1 week. In a week means 7 days. So for 7 days, this is for one day for 20 men. So for 7 days, that will be for a week, that is 15,000 into 7, which is going to be 105,000. So this is the correct option. Which among the following is a direct variation? So now we will see this 1, 2 and this 3. ABC is given. So here what we can see, water filled in the tank and number of taps pouring water in a tank. So more pours means more water. So it is going to be, both are more. So it is going to be direct variation. So here this is the correct option. We want a direct variation. So this is, it fills in this criteria. So now we will see for, this is not a correct option, still we will see what it is. Speed of the vehicle and time taken to travel a fixed distance. So higher speed means less time. So this is not a direct one. So time taken to construct a house and the number of persons working on the construction. So more persons is less time. So this also is not a direct variation. So this is the correct option. In which of the following the variation is inverse? Perimeter of a square and length of its side. So here we can see perimeter, this is a square. Perimeter means sum of all the sides, and the length. This is only the length of it. So which is, they said which is inverse. So as the side increases, so perimeter is also going to increase. So this is a direct, this one is a direct variation. So time taken to, we want the inverse one. So here time taken to travel is certain distance and speed. So speed increases means the time decreases. So this is going to be the, one should increase, the other should decrease, or the vice versa. So this is going to be the inverse variation. Simple interest on certain sum of money and time rate being constant. So sum of time increases, that is the SI means the simple interest increases. So this both increases means that is going to be a direct one. So we want the inverse one. So B is the correct option. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 36 hours and 45 hours, means this will be for 36 and this is going to be 45 hours. If both are open simultaneously, how much time will be taken to fill the tank? So these are the options given. So pipe A is 1 hour work, that is 36, means that is going to be, this is number of, this is n. So this is going to be 1 by n. So that will be 1 by 36, and pipe B is 1 hour work, that is, this is 45. So that is going to be 1 by 45. Together they said me altogether 1 by 36 plus 1 by 45. So the LCM is going to be here. You can take the, if you don't know directly, because these are the big numbers, you can find out the LCM. So here the LCM is going to be 180. So this should be multiplied by 5. So this also by 5, this also by 4. So this also by 4. So that is going to be 5 plus 4 by 180, which is going to be 9 by 180 will be 1 by 20. So it will take 20 hours. So this is the correct option. Solve the following riddle. If 5 frogs can eat 5 flies in 5 minutes, if 5 frogs can eat 5 flies in 5 minutes, how long will 100 frogs take to eat 100 flies? So this is very, whatever the number of flies are, that is going to be 5 minutes only. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Also don't forget to press the hype button which is beside the comment section. Thank you.